Welcome to No Filler Fixes. So your Ninja Air Fryer Pro is showing an E1 error code indicating overheating. Let's get it fixed right away, no filler. First, check if the air vents are blocked or obstructed. Blocked vents can cause the unit to overheat by restricting airflow. Inspect all vents and remove any dust, debris, or grease buildup using a soft brush or cloth. Next, examine the fan to ensure it's functioning properly. A malfunctioning fan can lead to overheating. Listen for unusual noises or lack of airflow. If the fan isn't working, turn off and unplug the unit, then carefully clean around the fan area following the instructions in your user manual. After that, make sure the appliance is placed on a flat, stable surface with enough clearance around it. At least 6 inches of space should be maintained on all sides to allow proper ventilation and prevent overheating. If the issue persists, reset your Ninja Air Fryer PRO by unplugging it for 5 to 10 minutes. This clears temporary glitches and resets the internal systems. Plug it back in and test if the error code reappears. Finally, if none of these steps resolve the problem, there could be an issue with the internal temperature sensor or other components. In this case, contact customer support or consult a professional technician for further assistance. And there you go, your Ninja Air Fryer PRO should now be free from overheating issues. If these steps don't work, reach out to customer support for further help. We've put the links to customer support and the user manual in the description of this video.